Hello everybody, I am Najimul. Today I am going to discuss about Florence Nightingale. Her nickname also known as Lady with the Lamp, and she was a modern nurse. She was born 12 May 1820 in Italy. She was dead unexpectedly through 2 p.m. Saturday 13 August 1910 at her home in London. So today, sadly, I was to happy birthday to her. After that, about her family. Uh, she lived in a prestigious family also. Her father name is William Shaw Nightingale and her mother name is Florence Nightingale. Sorry. After that, um, uh, he had one sister. About her education, when the Florence Nightingale was born, then many girls did not understand education. So she is a very lucky girl because her father believed that the girl should be educated. So her father taught her and taught her sister. After that, her father many subjects taught her and taught her sister. Example, English, math, education, etc. So after that, about her life story. When Florence Nightingale 17 years of age, then Florence Nightingale that time, if someone or illness, then many times she always better to servant herself. After that, and from an early age, she went to London from the city of Derby. At that time, the condition of the hospital in the city of London was very bad. That's why she always tried to better. At that time, the condition of the hospital was very bad because every people are not agree as a nurse. So no one come to forward it as a nurse. Uh, so that was time the condition of the hospital was very bad. So today I am as a nurse, so I am very feeling happy because at this generation are many nurses. So and most of all I try to remember her rules. So actually I am very happy. So we are one last today. I wish to happy birthday to her. Okay, thank you.